The AC Renew Injector tool was designed to inject AC Renew into air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It is constructed of rugged aluminum, has a capacity of 4 fluid ounces, and has a maximum working pressure of 600 psi. The AC Renew Injector tool uses a core depressor connected to a short length of hose and a hand valve at one end, and a Schrader fitting at the other. In this video, you will learn how to use the AC Renew Injector tool to safely and effectively install AC Renew as well as other injectable products. First, make sure the system is running and the low side and high side service ports are properly identified. For heat pumps, make sure the system is in cooling mode. Open the AC Renew Injector by turning the silver disc beneath the Schrader fitting counterclockwise. Remove the cap from the low side service port, and before connecting, check to make sure the hand valve of the AC Renew Injector is in the closed position. Connect the 1/4 inch SAE fitting of the blue hose on the injector to the suction service port of the system. Once connected, quickly open and close the hand valve on the injector to chase the remaining air out of the hose. Open your container of Nu-Calgon's AC Renew and pour 4 fluid ounces into the open end of the injector tool. If using the quart bottle of AC Renew, notice that 4 ounces will fill the injector tool to just beneath the threads found on the inside of the injector. Replace the aluminum cap on the AC Renew Injector tool with the Schrader fitting facing outwards. Make sure the cap is hand tight to ensure the injector assembly is fully sealed. Before proceeding any further, make sure both valves on the gauge set are closed and all fittings are tightened. Connect the high side red line of the manifold gauge set to the high side service port of the system. Remove the protective cap from the Schrader fitting and barely thread the middle yellow manifold hose to the 1/4 inch male inlet fitting of the AC Renew Injector tool. Be very careful as to not depress or otherwise engage the Schrader core. Briefly crack open the high side manifold valve to purge air from the yellow hose, then quickly tighten the loose yellow hose fitting at the injector and close the high side manifold valve. Open the injector tool's hand valve to allow AC Renew to flow from the injector into the low side of the system. Briefly open the high side valve of the manifold gauge set to allow a small amount of high side liquid to flow through the yellow hose and injector. Close the high side manifold valve. Repeat this process for a total of 1 minute of manifold valve open time to ensure AC Renew is fully injected into the low side of the system. When finished injecting AC Renew, close the high side valve of the manifold gauge set and wait an additional minute for the injector assembly to normalize its suction pressure. Fully close the hand valve on the AC Renew Injector tool and remove the blue hose from the suction service port. Once disconnected, slowly open the hand valve so it equalizes the assembly to atmospheric pressure. Ensure the outlet fitting is pointed toward the ground, directing any discharge away from the body. Once fully discharged, close the hand valve and remove the yellow manifold hose from the injector. Return the cap to the Schrader fitting to prevent contamination before the tool's next use. AC Renew has been used successfully for many years to improve the performance of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It quiets noisy compressors, reduces energy consumption, and improves heat transfer in both the evaporator and condenser. Nu-Calgon's AC Renew is now OEM approved as a field remedy for sticking thermostatic expansion valves as well as reversing valves. For more information on AC Renew and all Nu-Calgon products, visit us at www.nucalgon.com.